Low libido isn't just about aging. Everything from high blood pressure to smoking and poor sleep is destroying your sex drive. While treatments like shockwave therapy and stem cells can force blood flow back and restore function, they are not magic pills. If you want permanent results, you have to fix the root cause. Here is how a Mediterranean diet, targeted exercise, and advanced therapies work together to fix your libido.
So what are some of the causes of low libido? Low libido means low sex drive, right? Could be a lot. If you're distracted, if you're anxious, you're depressed, you're gonna have low libido. You work a lot, you're tired, you're gonna have low libido. So it's related to your lifestyle, your stress level, your sleep level, because when you're sleep deprived and when you're not good mentally up here, you're not gonna be in the mood for intercourse, right? So that makes sense. But one of the things that condition that can contribute to low libido is low testosterone. Testosterone contribute to man libido as well as erection, but it has other benefits such as building bone mass, building muscle mass, burning more fat. And so when you have low libido, the first thing is don't blame it on testosterone. It could be multifactorial thing as well too. Like as if you're not exercising, then you will not have energy. When you don't have energy, you don't have libido. I'm telling you, I have a phrase: fix your sex life by fixing your health. Fix your sex life by fixing your health. Focusing on fixing your health first, your sex life will follow. Okay. So I help you improve your sex life by improving your health, because when you have good health, your sex life is just secondary benefit. So don't try to fix the sex life without fixing the health. You gotta fix the health first, then your sex life will follow. Does that make sense? So how do you fix your health? Let's say you have diabetes. How do you fix your health? Well, you fix your health by following a Mediterranean diet. When you follow a Mediterranean diet, your blood sugar will decrease and then you will lose weight. Fix your health and you will fix your sex life. So you have diabetes and high blood pressure. You follow a Mediterranean diet, your blood sugar will come down. You exercise, your blood pressure will come down about 30 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week. Your blood pressure will come down. You don't need a blood pressure pill. Exercise could be, as long as it's moderate exercise, at met between 3 to 7. That means that if you're exercising and it's hard for you to count to 10, whether it's walking or stairs or running, you want to get to a range of about moderate exercise. And then how do you fix your health? You fix your health by, let's say you have high cholesterol because of what you eat. Again, follow the Mediterranean diet. That will bring down your cholesterol level, because cholesterol, high blood pressure, and diabetes are the three top contributors of ED. It causes inflammation, it causes decreased blood flow. The other contributor is porn. Porn messes up with your brain, so it's hard for you to get aroused when you're with a real person. The other thing is smoking. Stop smoking. The moment you start smoking, you're going to kill your erection. So those are mainly the lifestyle factors. I try to make things simple for you. I try to make things straightforward. It's not that complicated. You know, you got to fix your health, fix your sex life. Fix your sex life, you got to fix your health. So how do you fix your health? I just gave the most common thing that throw off your health is overweight, high blood pressure, diabetes, high cholesterol. Because if you just do what I just said and following the Mediterranean diet and exercise, then you will improve your health, lose some weight. And when you do that, you're going to be able to fix your sex life as well too. So it all correlate with it. Okay, modern man, if you're struggling with weak erection, low energy, the food you eat could be the big part of the problem. One of the best research-backed ways to boost circulation, support healthy testosterone, and improve sexual performance is the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with food that open up your blood vessel, lower inflammation, and fuel your hormone naturally. I've seen men notice real improvement in both energy and erection within weeks when they shift to this style of eating. So check out the Mediterranean diet link right here below and get that as soon as you can. Stronger testosterone and better erection. Stress is it's one of the top erection killers, because it's in our everyday lives, and we have to recognize that. But then stress lower testosterone levels, stress increases inflammation, stress decreases blood flow. And knowing that you have high stress, then it's best to learn how to manage that. How do you manage your stress? Sometimes seeing a counselor will help. They will provide some feedback for you. But sometimes just doing the stuff that you like to do, like you like basketball, you like baseball, do more of that. Calm your mind and decrease that stress. Do whatever thing that you like doing. All right. So that is the fourth pillar is the stress. And my point is it does take work from you to restore your sex life. Again, you got to be committed to it. For women, we have an outlet. We talk to other women, that's like our outlet. For men, you may not be a big talker, so I would encourage you to do the things you like, hang around the people that make you relax, and also cut down on the drinking as well too. You're allowed 1 to 2 drink a day, but anything more than 14 a week is too much. So you may want to kind of keep the drinking more to social and not an everyday wind down type like thing. You stay here in Fredericksburg, we'll be able to work together to push, because the treatment in my office with the stem cell, the Botox, the shockwave therapy, the pulse electromagnetic therapy, the Kegel, just give you a boost in healing, in getting things started with increasing blood flow. So it cut your time in half and getting result and help you get result quicker, and it boosts your whole system up for getting more blood flow down there. The bottom line, even if you get the treatment, you still need to continue following the Mediterranean diet and also exercise and follow up with sleep for 7 hours, and of course doing the penis pump. So those are the ones that come into our office. You should just do penis pump and taking the multivitamin, the nitric oxide, the Libido Plus, and the vitamin D3 multivitamin and nitric oxide. The nitric oxide is at our store, ED No More, and it's a white bottle and it has arugula in it, which has the highest content of nitric oxide. The main thing I want to say is that you gotta kind of follow up with changing your diet and your exercise, because it will get you in trouble in the long term. Now, if you have sleep problems, stress and anxiety, depression, that's in the brain. So the 5 signals that you get to get you aroused, like the eyes, the nose, the mouth, what you hear, and the hand, those 5 signals send stimulatory messenger to the brain, which then get filtered through depression and anxiety and stress, get filtered through. And when it gets filtered through, the noise will be lower, and then it will reach then to the hormones. The hormones get released, but the noise will be less because it's being filtered through your anxiety, stress, and insomnia. So having said that, one of the treatment we're doing in the office is called the far infrared with terahertz treatment, where we use a wand that has a quartz attached to it, and we go over the kidney acupuncture point as well as the sympathetic, parasympathetic points in the body. So we hit the spine, then we hit the kidney meridian, then we hit the vagus nerve, where we want to calm down the sympathetic nerve and increase the parasympathetic nerve messages. Those are the main things right now. And then controlling the diabetes as usual. If you want to see if we can work together, go to this link right here. It says renewwithdrant.com and see if you would be qualified for one of the patients that we see.